So, you want to make some money while sitting at home. And not just chump change Christmas money that you got from grandma. I'm talking real, solid money. Well, you came to the right place. I'm Noah from PilotCity, and this, not this, and this is how you make money online. Now here's the thing, there are tons of ways to make money during this pandemic. You got stuff like YouTube, blogs, reselling, online shops and services, but there are problems with all of those. YouTube's monetization requirements are ridiculous. You'd be making videos for months without a penny coming in the bank. If you start a blog, it's gonna end up on the 14th page of Google. You could resell stuff like sneakers, or whatever this is, but you'll never be able to buy anything because bots can buy stuff faster than you can. You can start your own shop like a clothing brand, but you have to invest so much money in the beginning on making your product, and we don't have that kind of money because we're broke teenagers. And you could do some online services or gigs, but trust me, that's a dark road to go on. I've had personal experience with some company, I'm not gonna say who it was, but the first thing they did when I was hired was just access all the contacts on my phone. Hella sketchy, man. And I know what you're thinking. Noah, why are you telling me this? Noah, you're the least inspiring person I've ever met. Noah, you really need a new haircut. I mean, you're kind of right though. I'm telling you this because there's a much better way to make money online. One where you work for real, reputable companies. One where you can add a real experience to your resume. One where you make some real dough. And one that not many people know about. This, ladies and gentlemen, is getting an internship at PilotCity. What PilotCity does is they connect you, the students, with real companies and employers who are looking for interns. That way you don't have to look around for help wanted signs because it's all in one place. And yes, you can choose a company you want. I personally went through their flagship program last summer. I interned for a survey company called Typeform, and honestly, I had a great experience. And I would have never known about them if it wasn't for PilotCity. Links down below, go check them out. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your parents, tell your turtle, and make sure to subscribe. Currently, as of posting this video, I think we have like 50 subscribers. Support PilotCity, go subscribe. You get to see more of this face. I don't know if you want that or not, but you should subscribe anyway. We'll be back doing some more stuff. Who even knows, man? We also have the Instagram, link down below in the description. There's just links in the description, man. Go to the description and like read everything. The description is a good place to be, so go there. With that, stay safe, everyone. My name is Noah, and I'm signing off. Peace out.